Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids power tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Geyiie toy tool set with power drill. The Geyiie toy tool set with power drill is a fun and educational play set for kids aged 3 and up. It includes an electric power toy drill with replaceable bits, a pair of goggles, and a 5-foot-long tape measure. The tool set is designed to help kids learn how to hammer, measure, and repair, while also stimulating their imagination and creativity. Made of premium-grade ABS and PP, the tools are safe and durable for long-term use. With 27 pieces in total, including a hammer, pliers, saw, wrench, and more, this tool set provides endless fun and learning opportunities for young builders and DIY enthusiasts. Moving on at number 4, we have the Black & Decker Kids Workbench. The Black & Decker Kids Workbench is a fun and educational toy that allows children to build their own toy toolbox. This toy set comes with 75 kids' tools and accessory pieces, providing endless opportunities for imaginative play. The realistic action, lights, and sounds of the tools make them look just like the tools adults use. The toy workbench also includes storage trays, a miter saw, phone, drill press, accessory bin, vise, hand saw, screwdriver, hammer, wrench, screws, nails, nuts, and a toolbox. With STEM learning and assembly toys, this workbench stimulates design and critical thinking skills, fostering a lifelong interest in science and engineering. The Black & Decker Kids Workbench is a great way for kids to develop motor skills and have hours of fun. At number 3, we have the Mini Toy Drill Set for kids with interchangeable drill bits. The Power TRC Kids Power Tools Mini Toy Drill Set is a perfect pretend play tool for children. Crafted with attention to detail, this mini drill looks realistic and comes with 3 interchangeable drill bits. It also produces sound effects to enhance the play experience. Operating the drill improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Made with safe and durable materials, it makes an appealing present for birthdays and other occasions. Although some reviews mention that the drill bits may come off easily and the battery cover doesn't screw in securely, overall, this toy drill set is highly recommended for little builders. At number 2, we have the Pretend Play Toddler Tool Toys. The Geyiie 4-in-1 Kids Tool Set is a comprehensive play set that includes a jigsaw, flashlight, electric drill, and a reciprocating saw. This bright red tool set is designed to nurture the building skills and imagination of little future mechanics. The battery-powered tools feature realistic sounds and actions to enhance the child's play experience. This indoor-outdoor toy tool set helps to develop vocabulary, fine motor skills, and critical thinking. It is made from child-safe, non-toxic materials that meet U.S. toy standards. With a customer satisfaction guarantee, Geyiie aims to provide a top-notch experience for every customer. The Geyiie 4-in-1 Kids Tool Set is an excellent pretend play toy for young builders and their imagination. With its comprehensive set of tools and realistic sound and action, it provides endless fun and learning opportunities. Although there are some minor issues with small screws and missing drill bits, overall, this toy set offers great value for money. And finally at number 1, we have the BLIRORA Kids Reel Drill Set. The BLIRORA Kids Reel Drill Set is a 51-piece cordless drill set designed specifically for kids aged 8 and above. It features a safe and child-friendly design with a max torque limit of 3 Nm, cut-resistant gloves, and safety goggles. This educational toy helps children develop STEM skills, hand-eye coordination, imagination, and creativity. With this drill set, kids can engage in role-playing activities, repair their toys, and explore the fun of disassembly. The set is made of durable ABS material and conforms to U.S. safety standards. It is easy to use and carry, thanks to its portable design and built-in battery. This power tool set makes an excellent gift for both boys and girls and is great for parent-child bonding.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.